Hello everybody, my name is Jynell Trail. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a new viewer, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. If you are a returning subscriber, hello and welcome back. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title of this video, what we are about to do, and I have no idea how this will turn out, just continue watching. So of course we're going to be needing our relaxer, and this one came with a free hairspray. You're gonna also be needing some hair clips. You're also going to be needing a rat tail comb. You can use any rat tail comb of your choice. So now I'm just showing you guys what came in the boxes. So we have the base, the activator, the free hairspray, we have the shampoo, we have the conditioner, we have the base that you use to base your roots, the oil base, but we won't be needing those, and this is a castor oil. We won't be needing those, so yeah. So first I'm gonna go ahead and detangle the hair. So now I'm just gonna mix the activator with the base, and I'm gonna do this to both containers. As you can see, I got 2 boxes of hair cream or relaxers. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the hair in sections so it will be easier for me to work with. So don't forget to put your gloves on. We are using chemicals. Yes, chemicals. So remember to protect your hands. So now I'm starting with my first section, and all I'm doing is combing the relaxer through the curly hair. So I'm gonna repeat those steps all over the wig, and I'll show you guys what the finished product looks like. And guys, remember, you want to make sure that you're getting the entire hair, so you want to go in between sections, starting from the weft to the end. So once I'm finished with the entire wig, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that up in the same plastic bag and let it sit for 10 minutes. So this is what it looks like after leaving the relaxer in it for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash the relaxer out. Listen, you guys, all this time I was doing this, I was hoping and praying that this would turn out good and not fail. So now I'm gonna be adding the neutralizing shampoo. So once I've washed the shampoo out, I'm gonna go ahead and add the conditioner. And you guys do not have to use the shampoo and conditioner that came in the box. You can also use the one that you use on your hair, or just any shampoo and conditioner. So this is what it looks like after washing the relaxer out, and could you tell that this hair was a curly hair? So now I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry the hair. So this is what it looks like after blow drying it. It wasn't 100% dry. I was running out of patience and it was getting dark and I had to cook dinner. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it in a bob. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron the hair. So this is what the finished product looked like. To be honest, you guys, I am in love with it. This is by far my favorite wig. So yes, I'm gonna be wearing this wig a lot. So we have reached the end of the video, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.